I'm now going to demonstrate the input status page. This shows the 8 inputs that are on the MP2600. It will allow you to toggle and force inputs and enable inputs as needed. Here's the input status and control page. As you can see right now, you can see the 8 inputs of the MP2600, which comes standard with every MP2600. You can see here on each button for each input that it is labeled for input 1 DI00, and the second input is DI01 and DI02, subsequently all the way up to 07. This corresponds with the nomenclature on the MP2600 manual for its inputs. You can also see that the inputs are disabled via this button here. You can simply enable them by clicking this button, and you can see the hand has updated. You can simply force on the bit on each input by clicking the yellow, grayed out yellow button on top, which says force. When you click force, it will turn yellow, and it indicates that the bit corresponding to input 1 on the MP2600 is now on, which would correspond in the real world to maybe a limit switch or a proc switch on your axis, showing that the axis has met the end of its travel and it could be stopped by that. I'm going to force it back off now. You can subsequently go through and test each input on all these other bits, DI02, 03, 04, depending on your application and what you're using them for. This is the output status and control page. It is laid out very similar to the input status and control page. It works exactly the same. You can enable and disable the forces on the output bits as in the other one.